Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. This is what you keep hearing in the crypto space, and you keep wondering how to start. Where do I even start, and how do I go about this? In today's content, I'm going to show you how you can start doing your own research, where to start from, and my favorite tools by far and the best tools which I use to research cryptocurrencies. In this tool, you can actually identify if a particular cryptocurrency is legit or not. Every information you need about a particular, you can actually track your portfolio with this tool also. You can actually place your watch list, do a whole lot of things with this tool. Stay with me to the end of this video as I'll be showing you a whole lot of things that you can achieve with this particular tool. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be listing the best 5 cryptocurrencies according to ChatGPT search. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our content. I'm still your boy Crypto Cash, Dr. Agaba Clement by name, the founder of Crypto Cash Academy. This particular tool I'm talking about is Coinmarketcap.com. The other ones like CoinGecko, CryptoRank.io and the rest, but my favorite one, just like I told you, is CoinMarketCap.com. So let's go straight in and start researching our different cryptocurrencies. So here is the home page for CoinMarketCap.com, but for benefit of doubt, let's open it again. You search CoinMarketCap.com. Click enter. So you can see the page has popped up. So here you see the list of all the crypto assets from beginning down to end. In each page you have 100 different crypto assets according to their ranking, according to their market cap. So you can see you have page 1, 2, 3, 4 down to 90, and each of these pages has 100 crypto assets listed on. So in this video we'll be researching a few different coins. So take for instance you want to research Bitcoin. You click on Bitcoin and the page for Bitcoin has opened. So every information you need about Bitcoin, you have it here. If you need the link to join the Bitcoin community, the legit ones, whether on Telegram, Twitter, on any of the social media platform, you see the links here and their white paper. The white paper is just a write-up that has every information about a particular cryptocurrency, what it has to offer, what it has to offer, their roadmap, every information that you need, you have them on the white paper. Then you can see the market cap of Bitcoin as the amount of liquidity that is locked up in BTC as we speak currently. Then the diluted market cap is over 457 billion. Then the volume that have been transacted in the past 24 hours, which is down by 40%, over 15 billion. Then you can see the amount of BTC in circulation, about 19 million BTC is in circulation, and it makes up over 92% of the total amount of Bitcoin that was minted. Then you can see the maximum supply of Bitcoin. That's the total amount of Bitcoin that can ever be created. So out of which 19.28 million have already been supplied into circulation. Then now let's go on. Here you can see the chart of Bitcoin. If you want to check the market data, you click on markets and it will open. It will show you the different places you can actually buy Bitcoin, all the different exchanges where Bitcoin are listed. You can see a whole list of it. So any other exchange outside this is actually illegal, and you stand the chance of losing your money if you are trading your BTC. This historical data is just the price data right from the onset of Bitcoin, showing you the different prices it opened on a particular day, it closed, the highest it went and the lowest it went for that day. Actually check the news on Bitcoin. like any news updates as concerning Bitcoin, any news as concerning Bitcoin. So you can see 7 hours ago, you can see the weekend shift, FTX digital pounds politics. So this is a news headline as concerning Bitcoin. So 7 hours ago. So you can see, then this one was 8 hours. Another update as concerning Bitcoin. So you can see any news as concerning Bitcoin that will affect the price or that is important in determining how the price works and anything, you see them updated here. So anything you want about a particular cryptocurrency, you have them at your fingertip with this particular tool. So you can see what is Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is. You can see it being written here. So the use case of a particular crypto asset, this is where you can get it. Below the chart, you go down a little bit, you see the use case of that particular cryptocurrency, what this cryptocurrency actually has to offer to humanity and all that. A brief overview of it is being written here. So now, like for Bitcoin, they say Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency originally described in a 2008 white paper by a person or group of people using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. So Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer online currency, meaning that all transactions happen directly between equal independent network participants without the need for any intermediary to permit or facilitate them, like the banks or any financial institution. Bitcoin was created, according to Nakamoto's own words, to allow online payment to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. So this was the basics and what Bitcoin brought on board right from the onset. Some of the concepts for a similar type of decentralized electronic currency precede Bitcoin, but Bitcoin holds the distinction of being the first ever cryptocurrency to actually be used. So now, who are the founders of Bitcoin? So you can actually see the founders of a particular project, then what makes it unique and all that. So these are more information we can actually read. So that is that for Bitcoin. So the best 5 cryptocurrency according to ChatGPT: number 1, Bitcoin; number 2, Ethereum; number 3, BNB; number 4, Cardano; number 5. Come to the comment section and tell me what's your opinion on which you think is the number 5. So thanks guys for staying to the end of this video. I'm still your boy Crypto Cash, Dr. Agaba Clement by name, the founder Crypto Cash Academy. Peace.